How to transfer photos from Files apps to Photos app. Need to move your photos from the Files app to the Photos apps on your device? Follow the quick and easy steps to get it done in no time. First, open the File app on your device. And now select or navigate to the folder where your photos are stored. Now open the photo. Once you open it, if you want to make any changes, you can make it. Now get back from here. Tap and hold on a photo to start selecting. Tap on other photos to select multiple images if needed. Tap share icon at top right corner of the screen. At the bottom of the screen, you will find different kinds of application. Just tap on Photos Upload to Photos. And once done here, you need to select your account. Now tap the small arrow next to the account section and you can easily select the account. After that, tap Upload at the bottom right corner of the screen and wait until the photo has been uploaded to Photos application. Once it has been uploaded, your photos will be safely moved from the Files app to the Photos app and all ready to view and organize. Moving photos has never been easier. Enjoy your organized photo library and keep snapping those memories. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe for more tech and tips. And thank you for watching.